Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start on desktop because the only way to change search settings fully is from a browser. Log in, type your initial keywords into the search bar, and press enter to load results. Once results appear, click the three-dot menu or filters above the timeline to reveal advanced search. This panel exposes the fields you need: words, accounts, dates. Make sure to use exact phrases in quotes and negative terms with a minus sign to refine results immediately. Once advanced search is open, enter precise criteria. Put mandatory words in the all of these words field and exact phrases in quotes into this exact phrase. Add alternatives under any of these words and exclude terms with a leading minus sign. For account filters, use from, to, or mention formats to narrow results to specific handles. Then set the date range to target events. You can also add a location to focus geographically. Together, these fields drastically. After you finalize filters, save the search by bookmarking the URL. Twitter encodes all advanced search parameters there. Once saved, test variations to confirm you captured what you need. Adjust exclusions and dates if results drift. If results look stale or options disappear, clear your browser cache or try an incognito window to rule out extensions. If filters still don't show, update the browser or switch devices. This sequence ensures reliable, repeatable searches and a quick recovery if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.